40. Stable at step 3.
T-minus 30 seconds.
25.
Status check. Go Atlas. Go Centaur. Go NROL-79.
T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We have ignition of the RD-180 main engine. 1. Liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket carrying the NROL-79 mission for the National Reconnaissance Office.
NRO program is complete.
You are hearing the voice of Marty Malinowski providing launch vehicle ascent data.
Pump speeds, injector pressures continue to look good. Current altitude is 5 miles. .151 miles per hour. Body rates continue to look good. Booster engine continues to look good at this point in flight. Pump speeds, injector pressures right in band. Current altitude is 18 miles, downrange distance 14 miles, current velocity 2,479 miles per hour. Booster is now 1/2 its liftoff weight. And we have gone to alpha limited steering. Steering responses look good. RCS pyro valve fired. Now pressurizing to flight levels. Signatures look good. Current altitude is 31 miles, downrange distance 43 miles, current velocity 4,458 miles per hour. Body rates continue to look good. Currently accelerating at 3.3 Gs. And closed loop steering has been enabled. Really no transition rates to speak of. All looks good. Booster has throttled down, as expected. Engine signatures look good. Currently at 50 miles in altitude, downrange distance 98 miles. Current velocity 600 miles per hour. Boost phase chill down is underway. We have fired the pogo pyro valve. And boost phase chill down is complete. We are throttling to 4.6 Gs in preparation for BECO. And we have BECO. Engine shutdown looks good. We have stage separation. We have LOX and fuel pre-start on the RL-10. GN2 purge firing, the RCS is underway. We have ignition. And full thrust on the NROL-10. Chamber pressures look good. And we have indication of payload fairing jettison. Looks like a good step.
This is Atlas Mission Control at T plus 4 minutes 30 seconds. We've just seen the successful liftoff of the Atlas V rocket carrying the NROL-79 mission for the National Reconnaissance Office, and all systems continue to operate nominally. Liftoff occurred at 9:49:51 a.m. Pacific Time. At our customer's request, we will now conclude our live coverage. Thanks to ULA's Marty Malinowski for participating in today's show. For more information about ULA or the Atlas V, please visit ulalaunch.com or join the conversation on Twitter and Facebook. We'll leave you now with another look at this morning's liftoff. I'm Amanda Cooker, and on behalf of the entire launch team, thank you for joining us and have a great day. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We have ignition of the RD-180 main engine. 1. Liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket carrying the NROL-79 mission for the National Reconnaissance Office.